Hello everybody and welcome back. In this episode today, I'm going to be painting the gorilla mask. This gorilla mask I got at this past Halloween at Home Depot. It's plastic, it's cheap, and I have to say, whoever sculpted this did an amazing job. This is a fantastic looking gorilla. I think it's perfect. The only thing it's missing is the color scheme. I think the paint job is kind of quick and fast because they had to sell them, they're cheap. So the thing I can do to improve this is give this gorilla a new paint job. So that's what we're going to do today. So if you guys are ready, let's get started. Let's do a take two on that. Hey, Mr. Boosh. Hello, everybody, and welcome back. In today's episode, last Halloween, I went to Home Depot and I bought an amazing gorilla mask. This thing is cool. This thing is remarkable for as cheap as it was. It's vacuum formed plastic. Whoever designed and sculpted this mask did a fantastic job. I think it's pretty darn cool. The only thing it lacks is a paint job. So that's what we do today. We're going to give it a new paint job to bring a little bit more life to this amazing gorilla mask. So again, if you guys are ready, let's get started. I've been looking at pictures of gorillas and their skin tone, there's not tones of shades of brown, they're just black. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to paint him, and I'm going to kind of add some blackish browns and things to highlight things. My fear is I'm going to paint it black, it's going to hide this detail. So that's why I'm going to use a semi-gloss on the black. But I know I'm probably going to have to hide. As a matter of fact, if you're wondering, I'm just making this up as I go. So I don't really have a plan. I just know I'm going to start with black, and it might just hide it. So we just might go back and forth. I'm going to start playing with different colors and see what we get today. Oops, hold on. People, it's been around, it's been touched, handled, so oils from your fingers sometimes get on things. I got some alcohol. Let me give this guy a little bit of a wipe down to make sure there's no oils that would prevent the paint from sticking. There it is. It's the first wave. We get the black on there. Now look at him. He looks pretty good. But you do lose a little bit of that expression he had because the detail gets lost because it's all black. So this is where I'm going to have to come back and do some little highlights. But we're going to stay more in the black realm. Burnt umber. It's a dark, dark brown. I'm going to... Yeah, I'm not digging the brown, so I'm going to do some with gray. I'm going to mix some blacker gray, but let me just touch this up a little bit. Black's back on it again. I'm going to stick with the blacks and grays. Mars Black acrylic, and I'm going to add a little bit of white to it and just make some lighter shades of black. So any kind of highlights I'm going to do, I'm definitely going to try to keep them dark. See, I got a nice dark gray right now. I don't want a lot too. I'm going to do it very light. No, I'm digging this. It's very subtle. Very subtle. I like it. I think somebody earlier asked me what this costume's for, and it is for something, but it's a surprise. Anywhere it's smooth needs to stay black. So I'm going to go back in with the airbrush and do a little touch up on that. But there is less is more. Again, everybody, I put the black on there, went with the grays that settle. And you can definitely see it. It brings a little bit highlight. You can see the details in his face. It doesn't get completely lost. But he looks more like a real gorilla. This is amazing. This makes me want to make a gorilla suit. I want to make a gorilla suit now. So I am very happy. I'm going to call this guy done. There's guys. The gorilla mask is done. It's amazing. It didn't take as much as I thought it would be. I thought I was going to have to put all these layers of colors. Just doing black, a different shade of gray, really brought the life back into this gorilla mask. Again, everybody, I found this at Home Depot on Halloween time. I'll do my best to find links for this mask to find it, but it was one of those seasonal things. I hope we can find it. Maybe not, but either way, it just goes to show you can buy pre-existing stuff, give it a new paint job, bring some life to it. Everybody, thank you so much for watching. If you guys are watching this on YouTube, this is from my live stream. I do every Monday and Tuesday from 9 a.m. to 11 a.m. Pacific Standard Time on twitch.tv/EvilTedSmith. And while you guys are at it, don't forget to go to my website, eviltedsmith.com, where I have numerous patterns for sale. And be sure to get on my mailing list. Everybody, thank you so much for watching, and I will catch you back next time right here on Evil Ted Live.